Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a new tool from Google that you can use to either create AI generated images or use AI to fix, change, or otherwise edit images you may already have. The tool is called Google Pics. So I was in my Google Drive like last week and I was going to add a new file. So I clicked on this. And then I noticed this right here, Google Pics. I'm like, well, that's new. What happens if I click on that? So I clicked on it and it took me to this new app from Google. It's an AI app. And basically, what it does is use AI to generate pretty much any image that you want. So this is the sort of main page where you're going to create things. There is another main page where it shows all your images. But when you're here, you can like set the aspect ratio for your image. You can add files, create new images, use a prompt, add an image from wherever on your computer in your drive. But then you also have these buttons right here: add from computer, add from drive, or add from your Google Photos. So there's a number of different ways you can do this. You can just give it a prompt. Obviously, the more specific the prompt, the closer the output will be to what you actually wanted. And then if you click on this icon up here, it will take you to the main page where you're going to see all of the pics that you created already. This one right here, I created to illustrate the first derivative test in calculus. It did a pretty good job. However, one of the really neat things about Google Pics is you can edit these images. All right. So it's this right here where it says detecting objects. It's looking for smaller images inside text boxes, that kind of thing. And then if there's like a small problem, right, once it detects that object, I can just click on this and I can edit the text, or I can edit, if it's a smaller image, I can just edit that image, and that saves me from having to sort of regenerate the entire image. If I'm already happy with most of what I see, I don't want to regenerate the entire image. It might change some things. This gives me a lot more control over the images that I create and how to fix them, how to adjust them, make minor changes, that kind of stuff. Basically, with this new Google Pics app, if you need an image, get an image. If you have an image, fix an image. It's incredibly powerful, very easy to use. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.